I stayed kind, I stayed true to myself. And you know what? During the competition, during the Q&A portion, one of the questions that was asked was, for you, what does it mean to be a leader? And I answered it as simple as possible. I said that to be a leader is to be influential. And today, I would like to recognize the person who embodies that answer, our Mayor Bong Marquez. Influential. And today, I would like to recognize the person who embodies that answer, our Mayor Bong Marquez. Mayor Bong, maraming salamat po sa tiwala at for supporting me in all aspects. Thank you for giving a young person like me the opportunity to dream bigger and to represent our municipality with pride. For me, you are the living example of that leadership is influence. Not just about the title. It is about how you give opportunity to every Sablayeño, how you inspire us, and how you give hope for every Sablayeño as well. And I also want to thank our Vice Mayor Edwin Mintu, our Sangguniang Bayan, and to everyone who is here, who supported me throughout my journey, who prayed for me, who encouraged for me, and who really showed their love for me. And if there is something that I want